In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize Gboard's theme. If you are using Samsung Gboard, you need to access Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and click on General Management. Then select Samsung Gboard Settings and scroll down again to find Theme section. Lastly, apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. If you are looking for something more interesting, you can always switch your Samsung Gboard to Gboard. In order to do that, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard, Google Gboard. Then download this app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, select Enable in Settings, click on gray switcher next to Gboard, and select OK in Attention pop-up. Then go back, tap on Select Input Method and click on Gboard on the list. Finally, select Done and select Theme section next. Now you can pick any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Tapping on this switcher next to key borders to manage them, and hitting Apply. To check your Gboard, just launch it. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same app or simply click on this color palette at the top of your Gboard. Then select plus icon under My Themes and tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your Gboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my Gboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!